Welcome to our kitchen. Tonight I am cooking, cleaning, and organizing my kitchen all at the same time. Let's start right here by the kitchen sink. So I've just finished washing all the dishes and I'm packing them away now. These are some of the little containers that I put leftovers in. So I'm putting these back in the cupboards. Here. These are probably a little bit longer to dry. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darci and I do weekly organizational videos. I am today participating in a collab hosted by Denise from the channel This and That with Denise Jordan, and it's a Clean With Me, Moonlight Clean With Me. And so that's what I'm doing now. I'm just trying to get the kitchen a little bit more organized for the night. I've done most of the cooking. Everything is done in terms of the dinner, and all I need to do is just to wipe the counters down now, and we'll be able to set the table and be ready to eat in just a few more minutes. Let me remind you to go over to Denise's channel to see the playlist, watch the various videos of course, and subscribe to the channels that you like. All the dishes have been washed, hand washed, and packed away. And now I'm going to clean the counter. Some of the dishes are still in the sink here, and I'll leave those here as well a little bit longer so they will dry some more. I'm cooking as well, so I'm cooking and cleaning at the same time. So I have the dinner here on the stove. I just took some things out of the oven, the veggie from the oven that I did bake some of these things in the oven for a few minutes. The dinner in the Instapot is ready, and so I can share that out now. But the kitchen is already pretty much clean. I just need to do the counter. The candle is going, it's lit, and I just need to do a little bit of cleaning on the counter here as well. So I like to clean as I prepare the meals, and so at the end of the night, all I have to do is clean the counters off, wipe the floor a little bit if it needs wiping, and there it is. It's all done and ready for the morning. So when we have breakfast in the morning, everything is really nice and clean. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to the channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, I just want to say a very special thank you as always. Take care, God bless, and I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.